The EVEO Screen Cleaner Spray Kit is like a spa day for your screens, minus the cucumber slices. Whether it's your smart TV, laptop, iPad, or even your car display, this streak-free formula is designed to wipe away smudges, dust, and those mysterious fingerprints that seem to appear out of nowhere. The kit comes with a microfiber cloth that's soft enough to pamper even the most sensitive screens, making cleanup effortless. No harsh chemicals, no annoying residue, just crystal clear results that bring your screen back to life. The spray bottle is compact and easy to store, so keeping your tech spotless is as simple as spritz, wipe, and admire. If your screens are looking more like a crime scene than a display of high-def brilliance, the EVEO Screen Cleaner might just be the hero you need. Give it a try and let your screens shine like they were meant to. Remember, a clean screen is a happy screen. That's it for me. See you next time.